Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we discussed about ancient India's progress in medical science and surgery. Now let's discuss about the progress of ancient India in the field of mathematics. A number of prominent discoveries in the field of mathematics were made in ancient India. Decimal system of weighing and measuring was in existence in the Indus Valley civilization. This was confirmed by the instruments of weighing and measuring discovered at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. This was acknowledged by the sage belonging to ancient India. Aryabhatta discovered the figure 0. The process of writing figure 0 after a numerical was discovered by the sage Gruthsmuth. Aryabhatta introduced Ashtanga method for multiplication, addition, subtraction and for finding the square root and cube root. He had written Dash Gitika and Aryabhatyam. He found the solution to the problems of fundamental mathematics, arithmetic and geometry. He propounded that the value of pi is 3.14 and it remains constant to show the ratio of the circumference and the diameter of a circle. He is regarded as the father of mathematics. The name of number made up by placing 53 zeros after one were discovered in ancient India. Bhaskaracharya had written Lilavati Ganit and Bij Ganit. He discovered the sign plus and minus for addition and subtraction. Brahmagupta introduced various types of equations. Bodhyan discovered theorem. Modern mathematics is rooted in these discoveries made by the mathematicians in ancient India. Now let's understand some points regarding the contribution in the field of astrology and astronomy. The contribution of ancient India to the science of astronomy is as follows. A systematic study and research of astronomy was undertaken in the ancient universities in India. Many treatises were written on astronomy by the ancient Indian scientists, astronomers. These astronomers studied the movements of constellations and other celestial objects and developed astronomical principles based on their calculation. Mathematician Aryabhatta described the main principle of astronomy in his book Arya Siddhanta. He declared that the earth rotates on its axis and that the shadow of earth was the reason for the lunar eclipse. Owing to his contribution to astronomy, India's first satellite was named Aryabhatta. Brahmagupta propounded the laws of gravitation in his book Brahm Siddhanta. Varamihir was a great astronomer as well as astrologer. He wrote Panch Siddhantika and provided basic information on astronomy and astrology. He stated the effects of the movements of planets on human being in Brihat Samhita. Varamihir was a great astrologer and astronomer who divided astrology into three sections: Tantra, Hora and Samhita. His granth named Brihat Samhita gives information regarding various things related to astronomy and astrology. Now let's understand some points regarding Vastu Shastra in the ancient India or contribution of Vastu Shastra in ancient Indian heritage. Brahma, Narad, Brihaspati, Bhrigu, Vasishtha and Vishwakarma are the pioneers of the Vastu Shastra. Their contribution to Vastu Shastra is unique. Vishwakarma was the first architect of the gods. He divided Vastu Shastra in 8 sections. These include information regarding selection of place, shapes, structures, proper planning for the place of dwelling, means residence, palaces, temples, place of worship, Ashwashala, where horses were there, forts as armory where the arm and ammunition were kept, and town planning. It provides guidance regarding selection of the place of dwelling, its direction, shape, structure, and planning of the bedroom, dining room, Brahmasthan, and temple within the house. Dear students, here we have completed the chapter. Just revise the chapter carefully, go through the videos, and write answers of the questions given in your textbook exercise. Thank you.